Ethereum value equivalent to $1887 a coin. The present reach: $1,871, $1,902. The earlier day close: $1,893. The change was 0.32%. Converse rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $1,816. Greatest cost $2,462, least cost $1,778. The normal for the month $2,089. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,301, change for November 26.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. First and foremost, cost at $2,301. Greatest cost $2,856, least cost $2,091. The normal for the month $2,479. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,669, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset, cost at $2,669. Most extreme cost $3,103, least cost $2,669. The normal for the month $2,835. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,900, change for January 8.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,945. Greatest cost $2,945, least cost $2,428. The normal for the month $2,732. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,611, change for spring 11.3%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2,611. Greatest cost $2,681, least cost $2,331. The normal for the month $2,532. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,506, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $2,506. Most extreme cost $2,766, least cost $2,404. The normal for the month $2,565. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,585, change for May 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2,585. Greatest cost $2,771, least cost $2,409. The normal for the month $2,589. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,590, change for June 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $2,590. Most extreme cost $2,845, least cost $2,473. The normal for the month $2,642. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,659, change for July 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place, cost at $2,659. Greatest cost $3,237, least cost $2,659. The normal for the month $2,895. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,025, change for August 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at $30.25. Greatest cost $3,274, least cost $2,846. The normal for the month $3,051. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,060, change for September 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $30.60. Most extreme cost $3,799, least cost $3,060. The normal for the month $3,367. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,550, change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $35.50. Most extreme cost $3,550, least cost $3,055. The normal for the month $3,360. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,285, change for November 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at $1,652. Most extreme cost $2,050, least cost $1,652. The normal for the month $1,818. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,916, change for January 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. To start with cost at $1,916. Greatest cost $1,916, least cost $1,557. The normal for the month $1,766. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,674, change for February 12.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for WOC 2026. First and foremost cost at $1,674. Greatest cost $2,078, least cost $1,674. The normal for the month $1,842. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,942, change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. Initially cost at $1,942. Most extreme cost $2,308, least cost $1,942. The normal for the month $2,087. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,157, change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at $2,157. Greatest cost $2,157, least cost $1,687. The normal for the month $1,954. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,814, change for May 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. At the outset cost at $1,814. Most extreme cost $1,893, least cost $1,645. The normal for the month $1,780. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,769. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2026. Initially cost at $1,769. Most extreme cost $2,196, least cost $1,769. The normal for the month $1,947. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,052.